Hey guys, the Appliance Educator here. Today we're going to show you how to install a bath faucet. I'm currently unable to do this due to some health issues, but we're going to have Cal step in. He's a new team member, and he'll walk you through the steps of installing a bathroom faucet.
Alright, so as Matt mentioned, my name's Cal. I'm here to help him out install a vessel sink along with a faucet. And get ourselves a measurement here from the back of the bowl to the wall. Since our countertop goes all the way to the wall, we're going to get a measurement here. We have about 4 1/4, so 2 1/8 is right where we want to have the center of our new faucet. Then we'll get the same measurement across and measure here. 18 1/4. Grab a piece of masking tape. Got 2 1/8 there. 14 3/4. That'll be the center of our cutout for the faucet hole. So we got our diamond bit on, ready to go. So to put this in, you want to find center here. This has a lot of cutouts here, so you can actually see if you're centered up. And to start this without it moving around all the place, you want to go in at an angle. So I'm going to get the drill going. Right there will be the hole for our faucet. Alright, so we got our faucet here for our vessel bowl sinks. So we have right here, we got a little rubber and then the same stainless steel. So these will actually slide up on these two threaded prongs here. So we're going to throw the rubber on. So this is going to go through the countertop. It's going to slide all the way down there. And then underneath, you get underneath the countertop, and then we're going to slide this up on like that. Slide the metal on. Then just go ahead and screw these on both sides all the way up. To secure this, the countertop will go in between these here. And then these threads right here will actually secure this to the countertop. So go ahead and do that now.